So in this video we will work on our add book functionality. So before this we designed our home page. Now if I click to this button, the model should appear here, and we should be able to add the book records. So for that, let's go to Bootstrap website, and after you go to Bootstrap, click on Bootstrap link, and after that you go to documentation, and on this search section you will search for model, and just search for model and just scroll down and copy this model. So we will need this model, so copy this full model and go back to our project, and we will have our model below the div tag. So this is the model. So here you can see we don't need button, but we will only need this two elements. So let's copy this, and we will paste it inside in our add book button, inside the button. So I will remove this button here, and I will button for adding new book records. So just comment it nicely, and I will give it a ID of add book. So if I let's go to here, and we will refer our add book model. So let's save this, and let's check for once if our model is working correctly. So let's refresh this. So if I click here, the model is coming here. So this is what we need. Let's go back to our page, and we will be working on our models. So the title should be add new book, and inside the model body I will have the form. So you don't need actions. We will need our form ID. So form ID should be add book. No, not a add book form. Okay. So inside the form, I will have div class form group. Okay, inside the form group, I will have a label. So this label should be for book title. So here we'll say book title. Sorry, book title, and below that we will have input type. So input, I'm using emit extension, so that's why I'm able to produce these codes. If you don't know about emit extension, then you can go to the extension section here, and you can go to show inbuilt extension, and if you type emit, then you will have emit for VS Code here. So this emit basically what does is it allows you to generate more code with fewer typing. So this is why I recommend you to use emit extension. So if I use emit, then if I have to let's say make a 5 list, then I can just give a UL and *5. Then I will be, if I hit enter, then I will be able to generate 5 amount of lists. So this is the benefit of emit. So if you use emit, I will suggest you to use emit. So we will now we will have a input field. So input field will have class form control, Bootstrap class form control. Okay, so form control, and this class, this input will have name, book title. Okay, and it should also be required, and it will have placeholder, enter book title. Okay, so we will paste this for 3 times, since we have 3 records to store. So next will be book description, and this should be book description, and the name should also be same as book description. So we will say here book description. Okay, so now it's good, and this should be for author. And name should also be author. It's, okay, this should be good. And so if let's go here and give it a title, ID of let's say add book BTN. Okay, so we will say add book BTN. So let's go back to our project and let's refresh this. Let's close this Bootstrap link, and if I click on this button and it says so, okay, we have this model now, and we can also go back to our icon, and we will again type for book. Sorry, my internet is gone already, so I'm keeping my Wi-Fi off, because if anyone interrupts us, that wouldn't be good for our session. So we can just choose the book icon here. So we've already used this one. Let's use this one. There's nothing wrong with using it twice. So let's copy this and go here, and so add new book, I will paste it here just for having some designs into our system. Okay, so now the design part is already done. So we'll work in next video in the next video we will work on adding book functionality. So I think the video will be too long if I go on. So see you in the next video. Thank you guys.